Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first, guys. Leos, we have Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Page of Swords in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your personal life, you have achieved certain things for yourself. You are happy with that, with whatever goals you have reached or whatever success you have seen till now. And you are expecting something else now. You are looking for more offers and opportunities in your work, maybe, or in your personal life. The next step, or what will be the next choice or next decision for you. So, you have a lot of dreams and plans in your life, in your future, guys, and you are expecting that. And maybe for some of you, in your circumstances today, you are seeing certain things going well for you in your work, maybe some offers, we were talking about that, but there may be certain things not going as expected. Maybe it may be in your personal life. So some kind of certain things may go well, but certain things may not. So some kind of a destiny or karma, you may feel that way, guys. In certain circumstances, something is working and something may not. Though you are putting lot of efforts, you are someone really devoted and honest. So whatever decisions you make, you stand by those choices. Try to do your best no matter what your circumstances are. But still today you are seeing some difficulties. It may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. You need to put in a lot of efforts, and you need to try really hard for yourself. So the same way in this relationship, guys, Leos, you are trying really hard, trying to make this relationship work. You are expecting certain things, maybe in this connection. You are happy with this person, you are happy with the way things are going, but you don't know what is the next step. You are waiting for their answer, maybe for some of you, or they are waiting for your answer. And for some of you guys, Leos, I see that some kind of maybe this person is making some decisions. Maybe they are making some important decisions in their work, or maybe they are having some illness. So some unforeseen or unexpected circumstances are unfolding for you, and you are maybe for some of you worried about that, because it is something which you never ever expected to happen, and you are totally unprepared for what is unfolding today, guys. So situation taking you by surprise today, and it may be some good kind of surprise for some of you, or for some of you it may be something bad. Maybe this person is sick or ill and you need to take care of them. You are quite worried, but overall I see that it is not something very bad, guys. You need not worry a lot. So first let's see the card for your relationship. So it is Seven of Cups. So you are having a lot of dreams and plans for your future. You are thinking about that, and that is what we were talking about. You are having a lot of plans. Maybe for some of your plans may get foiled. Maybe certain things you expect or certain things you are wishing for yourself or hoping to do in your future may get delayed or suspended. Some kind of uh, dreams you had for your future may not happen, and these dreams may even look very unreal, some kind of an illusion it may look like, guys, because it is not working out. It is not going to work out for you, for some of you, some of the dreams, guys, not all the dreams. So you may get disappointed or depressed over it, but it is nothing big, guys. It is not something big, and you need not worry, Leos. That is what I feel. So for your career circumstances, we have 10 of cups. So in your work situation, things are going as it should. You are happy, feeling really happy for the way things are going. So you have that emotional satisfaction and contentment because maybe the projects or whatever you were planning for yourself in your career, you are seeing lucrative returns and some kind of a safe and secure future, and it is pushing you towards success and prosperity, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Leos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment. And your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So, in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance, or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some. It may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.